Okay, welcome back to Tamillion Farm. So I'm going to do a product review on this KitchenAid my honey bought for me for Christmas. Anyway, I've got some Jello pudding and I'm going to make a Jello pudding with light Cool Whip and a cup of milk. I used the Fairlife milk because it's a very good milk anyway. It's going to be a little lighter than normal, so I've got the mixture already dumped inside there. And I'm going to put the cup of cold milk in it, just like such. And I'm going to turn on the mixer. Slowly. I'm going to put it on speed. I'm going to put it on the slowest speed as soon as I plug it in. Let me turn it back off and try this again. There we go. It's mixing really well. I'm going to get a tool out of my container. She mixed it down there. It's a little louder than I anticipated, but as you can see, it's mixing up pretty well. I'm going to turn up one more notch. It's a little louder than I anticipated, but it seems to be mixing well. I'm going to start adding a little Cool Whip. That should be well blended. Cool Whip this. Stop it for a second. I'm going to add some more Cool Whip to it. I used a full container of Cool Whip. And I want it kind of frothy, but where it's dissolving the Cool Whip out of the container. Seems to be doing well. Anyway, I'm going to put it back down. Let's see. It's mixing pretty well. That looks good, guys. Alrighty, I'll get back to you. Thanks. Bye.